Texting can be a great way to connect with a guy you're interested in, especially if you're nervous about face-to-face conversations. To make a positive impression, avoid sending mundane messages like, "Hi," and instead share something interesting about your day or a fun picture that relates to an inside joke. Keep your text short and impactful. Over-texting can dilute your message's effectiveness. After you send a text, wait for his response before reaching out again and be mindful of the timing of your messages. If he responds with one-word answers or takes a while to reply, it may signal that he's not as invested. Use flirty hints to show your interest without oversharing or getting too serious too soon. Be confident in expressing your desire to meet up while also maintaining your independence by not appearing clingy. Lastly, avoid discussing heavy topics or your exes and be cautious about texting under the influence. Overall, keep the conversation light and fun, and pay attention to his engagement to gauge how often to communicate.